Hello everyone, my name is Amit, and so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how we have got almost 1800 plus in terms of monthly sales within the ROAS of 28 first aid distributor. Client background. So let's discuss about our client, a key player in the first aid industry, engaged our service to strengthen their online presence and drive sales through Google Ads with a specific focus on the Australia market. The client aimed to achieve substantial monthly sales growth with a high return on ad spend. What challenges we faced? The challenges was to design a Google Ads campaign that not only increased brand visibility but also converted clicks in a competitive landscape like the first aid industry. Reaching the right audience and optimize the campaign for maximum impact were crucial challenges. What strategies we did? Through market understanding, in-depth market research was conducted to grasp the nuances of Australian market, including understanding customer needs and preferences as well as analyzing competitor strategies. This information informed the development of a campaign tailored to the specific demand of the region. Key optimization. A strategy mix of industry specific and location based keywords was employed to optimize the campaign, ensuring that the ad appeared in the relevant search. This approach was vital in capturing the attention of user actively seeking first aid products and service in the Australia. Compelling ad message. Engaging and impressive ad copy was crafted to highlight the importance of first aid and showcase our clients' products and essential solutions. So, clear call to action and unique selling positions were incorporated to encourage click and conversions. GeoTargeting excellence. Focusing exclusively on the Australia market, precise geotargeting was implemented to ensure that the ads reached user in specific location within the country. This demographical precision maximized the relevancy of the campaign to the target audience. Ad extension for additional information. Various ad extensions such as site link extension and a call out extension were strategy utilized to provide additional information and enhance the visibility of the ads. This helped differentiate our clients from competitor and provided user with more context. Continuous campaign optimization. Regular analysis of campaign performance allow for data-driven adjustment. This involved refining keywords, adjusting bidding strategy, and optimizing ad creative to continuously improve the overall effectiveness of the campaign. Results. The Google Ads campaign played a pivotal role in the achieving a monthly sales growth exceeding 800 plus for the client in the Australia market. Exceptional ROAS. The campaign demonstrated exceptional effectiveness, achieving a ROAS of 29x. This highly return on advertising spend highlighted the success of campaign is in not only driving sales but doing so in a highly cost-effective manner. Industry leadership. Through strategic targeting and compelling ad creative, our client established a dominant online presence, surprising competitor in the first aid industry within Australia. Substantial success. The continuous optimization strategy ensured the campaign's substantial success, providing our client with a reliable, lucrative channel for generating sale and revenue. In meantime of conclusion, by harnessing the power of Google Ads, implementing a targeted and data-driven approach, we propelled our client in the first aid ad industry to remarkable success in the Australian market. Combination of strategy planning, creative excellence, and ongoing optimization result in substantial monthly sales growth and outstanding ROAS, positioning our client as a leader in the competitive first aid landscape in the Australia. So here are some top converting keyword: buy first aid kit, online first aid kit, supplies online first aid kit. So here is the highest performing advertisement feature all the essential elements that should be included in any marketing campaign. Campaign achieved an outstanding ROAS of 28x plus, demonstrating and the effect effectiveness of the advertising strategy. Enhanced brand visibility. Google Shopping Ads contributed to increased visibility in the key markets, established the brand as a premium destination for the first aid kit. Next step, if you have PPC ad in a similar niche, reach out for a free audit via the WhatsApp number on the top. If no PPC ad yet, contact us with your website URL, monthly budget and location targeting for a tailored proposal. If this video is helpful to you, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.